Alright, check it out. So you wanna know the toughest thing about going to HVAC school for me? Being in this bitch with kids. There's about 73 kids in my class. Average age 17 to 20. So yeah, nobody's listening. Nobody has pencils, pens, rulers, nothing. They asking me for everything. Now granted, I am older. My mindset is a little different. But it's so frustrating having to hear the teacher say the same 10 times. So, word of advice. Come here when you're a little younger, not when you're older like me, because then you got to put up with this alright?